Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to send a quotation using ZohoBooks. So let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and go to the Sales tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Quotes and then select Plus New Quote. Here, enter your customer's details, including name, email, and billing address. Next, add the products or services you want to quote, specifying quantity, price, and any applicable taxes. You can also include terms and conditions or additional notes at the bottom of the quote. Once everything looks good, click Save and then Send. ZohoBooks will allow you to email the quotation directly to your customer, and they can approve it online. You can also download a PDF copy if needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.